This is the problem. Most of my clients live about an hour to 2 hours away from me. I do live in Anaheim, Southern California, Orange County. So meeting my clients is very difficult in person. I tend to schedule phone conversations, whether it's over FaceTime or Skype or just over the phone via conference call with my clients and their parents to discuss their album. Generally after their wedding, I will design their album in full from start to finish, including all of their pre-wedding events. And that can include anywhere from 3 to 7 events, generally for an Indian wedding. And so my full design ends up being anywhere from 110 to 150, sometimes 175 pages. So I will design it accordingly. I put the glorious link from Fundy software into an email, shoot it off to my client. I do not include any information with regards to pricing. I initially want them to just fall in love. I want them to emotionally connect, relive all of those moments that they remember, and connect with the album without the strings attached of how much it's going to cost them. I allow them a couple of days to let it sink in, reach out to their families, their decision makers, and then connect back with a phone call or a conference call where we go through their album to see if there's any questions that they have, what they love about it, things like that. Most of my clients end up ordering the full album. So if, for example, I've designed a 110-page album, generally they're going to purchase a 110-page album. So if you are like myself and you can't meet your clients in person, or it maybe brings you a little bit of anxiety being in a confrontational environment where you have to discuss pricing in person, well then this is your go-to method. Put the link in an email, shoot it off. Make sure to include words connection, meaning warmth, that allow them to relive their album from start to finish. Put the link in the email, do not include any pricing, and then allow them to let it sink and then get back to them.